Okay. Is that it? Are you done dancing? Dane, do you like your necklace? Huh? It's not candy. It isn't candy, Dane. Ooh, good one. Good one. Very good. Say thank you, Aunt Leslie.
Thank you, Aunt Leslie.
Thank you. Say thank you for your necklaces and your book.
Thank you, Aunt Leslie. I can't hear her.
She's not on the phone, Goofy. It's a video. Say thank you.
Thank you.
One more time. Say thank you.
Thank you, Aunt Leslie.